si papa Tope don't come again.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
I hear there is a vacant position for somebody that has a smelly mouth.
Please have your seat, please.
Okay, thank you, sir.
I think you are qualified for the job. I smell your mouth odor just as you were coming into the office.
Look, that is just it. Sir, I used to be very tall and handsome, but because of this mouth odor thing, it turned me into what I am today.
I see.
It is so terrible and so gifted. Look, very, very good. Very good.
I can see you qualified for this job.
Thank you, sir.
And I want you to start immediately.
Thank you, sir.
I need you to start immediately. The scope of the position we are giving to you is to make sure you use your mouth odor to discipline all the staff in this office.
Okay, discipline.
Especially many of them that comes late. They use their phone during office hours. They are just not serious about their jobs. You need to use your mouth to discipline them. For me.
No problems. I will not wash anybody that is showing any level of stubbornness in this company.
You are capable.
I will.
You are capable.
And sir, you said something about how much?
It is actually 150,000 naira.
Sir, 150,000 naira is too small.
That's a lot of money.
Small. With this level of quality I have in me.
150,000 naira.
With this level of quality I have in my mouth.
Oh my gosh.
150,000. Sir, that is too small.
How much are you looking for? How much are you asking?
The only offer and last offer I can collect from you is 151,000 naira.
Oh, but that's just 1,000 naira different from what we are offering you.
Look, it is 151,000 naira I will collect from your company.
It is 150,000 naira.
So, in fact, why am I even dragging it to you? You are not ready to pay the 150.
But that is a lot of money, though.
So that is what I will have to give you.
Oh,
Sir.
Who is that?
I hear say that they employ people who get mouth odor for this place. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Oh, you should sit down.
Thank you, sir.
You are qualified for this job.
Thank you, sir.
Qualified. And it's for immediate employment. Are you ready to start?
Yes, now my mouth is smell so for you, so. And it smell like this.
How much do you want if you are taking this job?
Sir,
do you want to employ me?
I'm employing
30,000 will do, sir. 30,000.
30,000 naira.
Will be enough for me.
Start immediately.
Yes,
start right now. You have the job.
His mouth odor could kill your start here. Sir, I've changed my mind, sir. Look at the level of heat coming out from his mouth.
I don't mind. This is exactly what I want.
You want to give me this level of responsibility? He will kill people with his mouth odor, sir.
This is exactly what I want.
Sir.
I need you to use your mouth odor to discipline all the
staff
inside this office.
Consider your head, sir.
Yes, sir.
Those staff who are coming late, they are not serious about their jobs. And they are stealing things inside. You will use your mouth odor to discipline them. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Your mouth starts now.
Yes, sir.
And immediately also. And the first assignment you are going to do for
me, you know what, sir?
is to get rid of this.
I've changed my mind, sir. I've changed my mind.
Get rid of this.
Yeah.